my brother fight now cut am.
Hello my people, how na dey? This video wanna just watch, so I put on for una listening to wetin happen for there. Hey, this thing happen for Benin. When brother and brother come dey fight, they come dey use cutlass. Wetin go cause that thing? Shebi una don know wetin go cause am. Na property. I so much believe say na property wey be say maybe family live, wey be say senior brother no want, una understand, no wan give the rest. Wetin go una understand na the one way this one na your, this one na my own, this one na my own. I so much believe say na e cause am, because for your brother go come use cutlass take come out come dey fight the brother, e even kpai am, no remorse o, no remorse, like say nothing happen. Dem come ask am say as e come be na wetin e say, e don die na. Jesus Christ, not be small thing o. You see all these things wey be say dey cause this wahala, wey brother no dey know brother again, sister no dey know sister again. Make una stop am. Person wey be say e get the property, e even kpai leave am for grant. Una wey be say na una come be the children wey supposed to like, okay, this one na my own, this one na your own. One go just come and say na only one go collect am. Na e dey cause all this kind thing o. Na e dey cause all this kind thing. E no even feel like say nothing happen. Oh, I dey sorry. That one, they say they be the same papa, the same mama. Ekiokpa wokpa na dey for come out. Just go class take by am, just like that. Now he come run no, because they say that they quarrel all the time. So that one, that very day, the thing come like come escalate to where that one, where they call the one na Friday, one na I not come remember the name, gonna go hear for there. Now this one where be say e run, come carry class as he just dey pursue and they go now why you class when you aka law. Now he just buy am for there. They say because my people now wash oh. Now wow, me I no understand that our country again, because I dey talk and say most people they are not okay. Whether na the too much of the sun wey dey, na e come dey cook their brain. I don't know. Your own blood brother, when you dey cut am, the thing not tell you say this thing wey you dey do no good oh. Now your blood be this oh. Not be another person. You know, say if you do with another person, una get misunderstanding, you can't hold something where you want to take by yan. The thing go even they tell you say, now you might be this one, oh. Now you might be this one. So let's say your own blood, the same papa, the same mama. The thing not tell you say, stop, not do this thing. And he not even get any remorse to say, and this is where I do. I be one just like you know, I be no one cut out. I be just hold and make for run no. For where? He said, I don't die now. My people, make I put this video for Namona watch oh. Now wow, I don't know whether parents go come they like sell their property before they buy. Make the kukuma just chop am. Make they know say now they work the money, they eat time by themselves, so that those children will be say they want leave their property for, they will still strong go. Make them go build their own, because now those things now they cause all this quarrel. Where be say brother and sister, they will come they like you juju or just class till they find themselves. Then they cause out person where even get the money, where build the house, he leave am for una as a children, as it's supposed to be. You as a pikin where be saying that the boy the man where be say no as our country be, it not be like abroad. If na one pencil na your parents leave, that one pencil now two children they born, they'll cut into two. This one will take this one, this one will take this one. But for Nigeria it not be like that too. Most all the time now this one they cause the problem. Be like say they will come change am. Make the people where kukuma get their thing, make them they chop am, make them sell them before they buy. They will say at where they don't buy, the person where be say buy and go come out, go bring everything, and they will just, you know, now you go good pass so. Otherwise, where is the love? Love not there again. Carry cutlass just by your brother, and you don't feel any remorse. You don't even think saying a person, you be like say you not do anything. Now wow, make I put this video more now. What should I buy my people? Not the way Musa no go see that country. Hey. Be careful. If your brother just they do one, make you run, no, he go just buy you through away. Go say na only prison, then go. No love again.
Iyayi Omokao and Friday Omokao are brothers of same parents. Reports say they had serious altercation in the evening of Tuesday, 25th March 2025, and the quarrel led to a fight. It was revealed that during the fight, the younger brother Iyayi Omokao dashed into the house and brought out cutlass and allegedly used it on his senior brother, Friday Omokao. The said Friday was severely wounded as he was inflicted with life-threatening machete cuts. The said elder brother died instantly while the younger brother Iyayi Omokao escaped. He was however given a hot pursuit by members of the Edo State Security Corps and apprehended.
What you do?
My brother fight now, cut down.
Yeah, your brother fight. Now you carry cutlass, cut down. Now, what will be the present situation concerning that your brother now?
Don't die.
He don't die. So now, what will be name the person when you kill so?
Friday.
Friday who?
Mokaru.
Mokaru, your brother.
Yes.
Now the same papa, the same mama.
Yes.
What you come and police like that when you come carry kill your brother?
Get misunderstanding.
The suspect was later handed over to the police for further investigation. Edo State Police Relations Officer CSP Moses Yamu, who confirmed the incident, said the suspect will be adequately prosecuted.
We're here today over the unfortunate and incidents that happened in Uzala community, where two brothers got engaged in a fight that led to the killing of one of them. The case is under investigation to ascertain the real cause of this incident, as well as to ensure that the culprit is made to face the wrath of the law.
As at press time, the policemen from Ahor Division have been contacted to evacuate the slain man to the mortuary. In Benin, Festus Alenhe Iyayi Omokao and Friday Omokao are brothers of same parents. Reports say they had serious altercation in the evening of Tuesday, 25th March 2025, and the quarrel led to a fight. It was revealed that during the fight, the younger brother Iyayi Omokao dashed into the house and brought out cutlass and allegedly used it on his senior brother, Friday Omokao. The said Friday was severely wounded as he was inflicted with life-threatening machete cuts. The said elder brother died instantly while the younger brother Iyayi Omokao escaped. He was however given a hot pursuit by members of the Edo State Security Corps and apprehended.
What you do?
My brother fight now, cut down.
Yeah, your brother fight. Now you carry cutlass, cut down. Now, what will be the present situation concerning that your brother now?
Don't die.
He don't die. So now, what will be name the person when you kill so?
Friday.
Friday who?
Mokaru.
Mokaru, your brother.
Yes.
Now the same papa, the same mama.
Yes.
What you come and police like that when you come carry kill your brother?
Get misunderstanding.
The suspect was later handed over to the police for further investigation.